This is from UniWigs. So I changed my outfit too to something more romantic. First thing I want to do is apply some water to this hairline because I need it to be more defined. We have a nice parting. Next up is just adjusting the bangs. So I actually think I don't need to cut it. I'm just gonna curl it. That's what she does. So let's see if that works out. If it doesn't, I'll cut it. Let's get some nice, more defined curls too. I don't want this to look like the 80s. It's like this, hello, I'm a farm girl. I have never been to the city. I'm so innocent look. Like I own 5 cows. That kind of look. Loving this. I look like a doll.